Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Today we have a gorgeous 1974 TR6. This is a complete rotisserie restoration. Everything on this car is brand new. Right down to the stainless steel exhaust. It's got some cool stuff too that I've never seen before. These lightweight wheels. Brand new. Tires are new. Drilled and crossroad rotors. 20 miles on this car. It's got the best of everything. It's fantastic. It's got a bell exhaust. Sounds phenomenal. I'm gonna fire it up for you. You gotta hear this thing. It's just beautiful. Absolutely the nicest one I've ever seen. Custom stereo too. It's removable by JBL. So when you get to the show, it's called a BassPro Go, and it's removable. Sounds fantastic. This car is a blast to drive. So much fun. Head's been taken off, motor's completely rebuilt, it's been ported, polished, it's got triple levers, aluminum radiator with a fan, and just beautiful. Nice as it gets. K&N Air Filters. Really the best of everything on this car. Said the head's been removed and polished, ported. Really moves. Look again, bro. Just run. Down to the straps on the trunk here. You'll ever find a nicer one. Yeah, that sounds great. 100 watts, right? And a lot of bass too. Let's go for a ride. Yeah. Ever driven one of these? They're so much fun. took this to the Hamptons the other day?
Yeah.
Cool.
Beautiful light out there too.
Yeah, super nice. All the gauges work.
Yeah, everything works.
It smells new in here, you know? That sounds so good, bro.
Yeah, the air horns.
I mean, what else would you have on here? You gotta have the air horns. Now it's warmed up. Yeah, great oil pressure too. Guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Libby Autos. Give me a shout, 631-339-0399. You can also check out about 200 pictures I took today on the website. And it's libbyautos.com. Thanks a lot, Glenn. Beautiful car.